My experience that I bring to this book is unique in that when I came to the district that I currently work in, they were just beginning to implement UDL principles across all curriculum. If I had known prior to arriving what that would entail, I may not have come, but I can tell you it was the best thing that ever happened to me professionally. We had to change across the board everything that we had been doing and how we had been doing it. From hiring practices, to how we run meetings, to the adoption of curriculum, everything needed to change. So if you're asking yourself, why would we want to endure all that change? I can tell you it's because since we have done it, we have seen great increases in our inclusion numbers. We've seen student achievement increase. We've seen our staff satisfaction with professional development increase. Pretty much every stat that you can come up with for identifying whether or not something is working, we've seen improve.